Okay, no, not yet. It's Christmas Eve. It's our Christmas tree. Christmas tree. And the little girls. See? Okay, they're going to open their little cards that you sent them. Abigail, get closer so I can get you a little bit better. Okay, go for it.
Oh gosh. Did they do this with their tongue?
Open it.
Open yours.
Yeah. Open it, Vixie.
I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting. Oh my god.
What is that?
What does it say? No. She didn't care about what it says, Grandma.
It's okay. Kids never care about what it says.
$10 and $5.
Good job. Okay, Abigail, your turn.
Mommy, can we open more cards?
No, there's no more cards.
I have one.
The other one is stuck on your present. You have to wait till tomorrow.
Mine ain't stuck anymore. Bella pulled it off. Oh, she got a snowman. Let me read it for you. To Victoria, with love, Grandma and Grandpa, kisses, 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 kisses.
Good job. Well done. What do you think, girls?
I didn't open mine yet.
Yes, you did.
No, I barely
Say goodbye now.
Ah.
Say goodbye now.
Huh?
What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma. I didn't get to read mine.
Oh, go on then.
Okay. To Bella, with love, Grandma and Grandpa. Kisses, 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 kisses.
Good job. Okay, say thank you, girls.